trading, you don't have anything to worry about. For instance, we were trading with the trend. It was a bull market, so we were looking for buying opportunities, and that's exactly what we did. We bought. We didn't sell short. Now, I don't have a problem with selling short either when you get a signal to do so. Counter trend trading is also something that we do. We go long as well as go short. So in this case, we got stopped out, and we see that this bar here is very significant. It's telling us that the market is exhausted and is possibly looking either for a support area to rally from and take out the highs in the coming week and a half, or is going to change and be a shift in overall sentiment altogether. Now, I know that there are going to be reports that come out that try to explain what happened or why it happened, saying that some big commercial entity decided to dump a huge position or whatever. It doesn't matter what happened. It doesn't matter why it happened. You know, as traders, we don't care why the market's going up or down. We're just here to make money from it. We don't care, and that's why we don't day trade here either. We swing trade, which means we take trades that are based on shorter time frames, because we look at daily and weekly bars, but we don't care really what happens intraday or what happens the following day. The signals that I put out are done 24 hours in advance. So regardless of what happens or what can happen or could happen, the system is forward looking. So I get signals, like for instance, I'll get my signals today on the close for Tuesday's trading, since Monday's a holiday. Actually, Monday's not a holiday. So for Monday's trading, we'll have signals for that. So when we get the close at 4 o'clock, I'll be able to to input the data into the system, and it will print out 24 hours ahead what to do in the next trading session. And it doesn't matter what happens over the weekend. It doesn't matter if bombs go off somewhere. None of that stuff matters. The system is forward looking, and it takes all those things and factors that can be taken into consideration. So without further ado, let's pull up some more charts and take a look at what is happening and what may happen here in the short term with the with gold prices. Okay, as you can see, this here is the gold spot now. This is what we're trading at 1209. On yesterday, we actually did trade at 1196.61 on the gold spot. That 1196.61 right now is showing support because it's right at the edge of the Kumo cloud right here. So you see that right into here. This is your Kumo cloud, okay? It's a bullish cloud. And what we're seeing is that the bullish trend is actually still intact, okay? Unless we get a close here within the cloud, then we can say we're consolidated, but we're still bullish, so it's a bullish consolidation. So as you can see, we've been on a nice steady course up here, and then all of a sudden we broke that support area, okay? So we took massive distribution on yesterday's trading. Accumulation here, accumulating, distribution, okay? So the trend did not continue. All right, we probably will get some very interesting data in the next couple of days regarding what's been happening in this particular market. So moving forward from here, I think it's safe to say that as we continue, we're going to start to see some significant volatility come into this market. This is a very significant bar. I can't stress that enough. Even though we're still bullish, that is a very significant bar. So we will get into some more analysis in a little while. I just wanted to pull this up for you to get an idea of what I'm looking at, and also just to demonstrate to you how the markets are not behaving like they are supposed to. Your stock market's down, the US dollar is down, crude oil, or the petrodollar, like some people like to say, is down, bonds are down, gold and silver is down, your commodities are down. Everything is down. That's not good. That is saying that we have some deflationary pressures beginning to enter into the market. So hyperinflation, not yet. Right now it's looking more into deflation as prices begin to come down. It's expensive only because you don't have the money to pay for it, if that makes any sense to you. Anyway, I'm the Vulcan. Peace out.